Spoken English Speaking Practice Part 1 1. ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. 2. Homework पूरा करो. Complete the homework. Complete the homework. 3. किताब खोलो. Open the book. Open the book. 4. किताब बंद करो. Close the book. Close the book. 5. बोर्ड देखो. Look at the board. Look at the board. 6. अपना नाम लिखो. Write your name. Write your name. 7. जल्दी आओ. Come quickly. Come quickly. 8. देर मत करो. Don't be late. Don't be late. 9. पंक्ति में खड़े हो जाओ. Stand in a line. Stand in a line. 10. शांत रहो. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. 11. कक्षा में जाओ. Go to the classroom. Go to the classroom. 12. अपनी कॉपी निकालो. Take out your notebook. Take out your notebook. 13. पेन मत चलाओ. Don't use the pen. Don't use the pen. 14. पेंसिल से लिखो. Write with a pencil. Write with a pencil. 15. अध्यापक की बात सुनो. Listen to the teacher. Listen to the teacher. 16. बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. 17. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. 18. उत्तर दो. Answer the question. Answer the question. 19. सवाल पूछो. Ask a question. Ask a question. 20. अपना बैग रखो. Keep your bag. Keep your bag. 21. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. 22. ध्यान से पढ़ो. Study carefully. Study carefully. 23. यहाँ मत लिखो. Don't write here. Don't write here. 24. पन्ना पलटो. Turn the page. Turn the page. 25. धीरे बोलो. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. 26. तेज बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. 27. कक्षा साफ करो. Clean the classroom. Clean the classroom. 28. ये लिख लो. Write this down. Write this down. 29. कॉपी जमा करो. Submit the notebook. Submit the notebook. 30. नकल मत करो. Don't copy. Don't copy. 31. सही उत्तर दो. Give the correct answer. Give the correct answer. 32. खेल के मैदान में जाओ. Go to the playground. Go to the playground. 33. खेल शुरू करो. Start the game. Start the game. 34. पंक्ति में बैठो. Sit in a row. Sit in a row. 35. किताब मत फाड़ो. Don't tear the book. Don't tear the book. Part 2. 1. मुझे चाय पसंद है. I like tea. I like tea. 2. उसे क्रिकेट पसंद है. He likes cricket. He likes cricket. 3. मुझे तुम्हारी मुस्कान पसंद है. I like your smile. I like your smile. 4. उसे किताबें पढ़ना पसंद है. She likes reading books. She likes reading books. 5. क्या तुम्हें ये गाना पसंद है? Do you like this song? Do you like this song? 6. मुझे ये जगह पसंद है. I like this place. I like this place. 7. उसे फिल्में देखना पसंद है. He likes watching movies. He likes watching movies. 8. मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना पसंद है. I like waking up early. I like waking up early. 9. क्या तुम्हें पिज्जा पसंद है? Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? 10. मुझे बारिश पसंद है. I like rain. I like rain. 11. उसे गाना गाना पसंद है. She likes singing. She likes singing. 12. मुझे दौड़ना पसंद है. I like running. I like running. 13. उसे तैरना पसंद है. He likes swimming. He likes swimming. 14. मुझे मीठा खाना पसंद है. I like eating sweets. I like eating sweets. 15. क्या तुम्हें गर्मी पसंद है? Do you like summer? Do you like summer? 16. मुझे ठंडी हवा पसंद है. I like cool breeze. I like cool breeze. 17. उसे कुत्ते पसंद हैं. He likes dogs. He likes dogs. 18. मुझे बिल्ली पसंद है. I like cats. I like cats. 19. उसे नृत्य करना पसंद है. She likes dancing. She likes dancing. 20. मुझे समुद्र देखना पसंद है. I like watching the sea. I like watching the sea. 21. क्या तुम्हें चॉकलेट पसंद है? Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? 22. उसे नए कपड़े पहनना पसंद है. She likes wearing new clothes. She likes wearing new clothes. 23. मुझे सच्चाई पसंद है. I like truth. I like truth. 24. उसे ईमानदारी पसंद है. He likes honesty. He likes honesty. 25. मुझे गर्म दूध पसंद है. I like hot. Part 3. वह काम में व्यस्त है. He is engaged in work. He is engaged in work. वह अभी अभी बाहर गया है. He has just gone out. He has just gone out. जरूरत पड़े तो मुझे बुला लेना. Call me if needed. Call me if needed. उसे बहकाना मत. Don't mislead him, her. Don't mislead him, her. दिन में सपने देखना बंद करो. Stop daydreaming. Stop daydreaming. जो जायज़ है वो बोलो. Speak which is justified. Speak which is justified. उसका गुस्सा जायज़ था. His anger was justified. His anger was justified. तुम उससे दूर रहो. You stay away from him, her. You stay away from him, her. अब मैं सही सलामत हूँ. I am safe and sound now. I am safe and sound now. तुम तो बिल्कुल झूठे हो. You are utterly liar. You are utterly liar. चाय बहुत गर्म है. The tea is very hot. The tea is very hot. तुम ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? ये वही है जो वह चाहता था. This is what he wanted. This is what he wanted. कागज पर पैर मत रखना. Don't step on the paper. Don't step on the paper. मुझे शांति से सोने दो. Let me sleep in peace. Let me sleep in peace. हो सकता है वो सो गया हो. Maybe he has slept. Maybe he has slept. हो सकता है वो चला गया हो. Maybe he has gone. Maybe he has gone. मेरी बात करवा देना उससे. Make me talk to him. Make me talk to him. सब कितना फीका फीका है. Everything is so dull. Everything is so dull. तुम बहुत चाय पीते हो. You drink a lot of tea. You drink a lot of tea. चुपचाप यहाँ से चले जाओ. Go from here quietly. Go from here quietly. Try करने में क्या जाता है? What goes to try? What goes to try? बात करने में क्या जाता है? What goes to talk? What goes to talk? पूछने में कुछ नहीं जाता. Nothing goes to ask. Nothing goes to ask. ज़्यादा नौटंकी मत करो. Don't gimmick too much. Part 4. बहुत बढ़िया विचार है। ग्रेट आइडिया, ग्रेट आइडिया। कुछ और चाहिए? डू यू नीड एनीथिंग एल्स? डू यू नीड एनीथिंग एल्स? तुम हॉन्फ क्यों रहे हो? वाई आर यू पैंटिंग? वाई आर यू पैंटिंग? सब मेरे साथ थे। एवरीवन वॉज विद मी। एवरीवन वॉज विद मी। वह रोने लगेगा। He will begin to weep. He will begin to weep. अपनी नजरें नीचे रखो। Keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down. वो बहुत मासूम है। He is very innocent. He is very innocent. वो मेरे पास से गुजरा। He passed by me. He passed by me. आपको टॉफी किसने दी? Who gave you the candy? Who gave you the candy? अपने पापा के पास जाओ। Go to your papa. Go to your papa. अपनी औकात में रहो। Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. मैं परेशानी में हूँ। I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मुझे एहसान मत करो। Don't favor me. Don't favor me. वे दौड़ने लगे। They began to run. They began to run. अपने जूते उतार लो। Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. मैं घर पर रहूँगा। I shall be at home. I shall be at home. वह एक मोटा लड़का है। He is a lumpish boy. He is a lumpish boy. तुम्हारी किताबें किसकी हैं? Whose side are you on? Whose side are you on? तुम्हें यहाँ किसने बुलाया? What brought you here? What brought you here? हम सब समझते हैं। We all understand. We all understand. मैं निश्चित नहीं हूँ। I am not sure. I am not sure. क्या आप समझते हैं? Do you understand? Do you understand? मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ। I agree with you. I agree with you. कल तो छुट्टी है। Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday. तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? गाजर का कद्दूकस कर दो। Grate the carrots. Grate the carrots. अमित बहुत बकवादी है। अमित is very voluble. अमित is very voluble. दरवाजे पर कोई है। Someone is at the door. Someone is at the door. हम दोबारा फंस गए हैं। We are trapped again. We are trapped again. ये ट्रीट मेरी तरफ से। This treat is on me. This treat is on me. Part 5. 1. वह एक नमका हराम है। He is traitorous. He is traitorous. 2. मुझे गलत मत समझो। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. 3. मैं अपने घर में हूँ। I am in my house. I am in my house. 4. आपका जवाब नहीं। You have no match. You have no match. 5. आखिरकार हो गया। Finally it's done. Finally it's done. 6. माचिस बुझाओ। Blow out the matchstick. Blow out the matchstick. 7. ध्यान से गाड़ी चलाना। Drive carefully. Drive carefully. 8. यहाँ हस्ताक्षर कीजिए। Sign here. Sign here. 9. और मत मानो प्यार में। Don't obey me more. Don't obey me more. 10. जल्दी से खत्म करो। Wind up quickly. Wind up quickly. 11. क्या तुम नहीं जाओगे? Won't you go? Won't you go? 12. यह आजकल का चलन है। It is the in thing. It is the in thing. 13. अब चलने का समय है। It's time to leave. It's time to leave. 14. उसका ध्यान भटक गया। He got distracted. He got distracted. 15. बच्चा रो रहा है। The baby is crying. The baby is crying. 16. उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला। She lied to me. She lied to me. 17. ऐसा कोई नहीं कहता। No one says that. No one says that. 18. मुझ पर चिल्लाओ मत. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. 19. यह मुझे करने दो. Allow me to do it. Allow me to do it. 20. तुम्हारी याद आएगी. I will miss you. I will miss you. 21. सुनकर बुरा लगा. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. 22. पहले से बहुत बेहतर. Much better now. Much better now. 23. क्या आपको भूख लगी है? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? 24. अपनी डायरी लेकर आओ. Bring your diary. Bring your diary. 25. मुझे पानी ला दो. Please get me water. Please get me water. 26. निर्दोष मत बनो. Don't play innocent. Don't play innocent. 21. वह मेरी गलती थी. That was my mistake. That was my mistake. 22. ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करें. Pray to God. Pray to God. 23. अपनी मुट्ठी खोलो. Unclench your fist. Unclench your fist. 24. पहले इसे मरोड़ दो. Wring it out first. Wring it out first. Part 6. 1. I stand corrected. मैं अपनी गलती मानता हूँ. I stand corrected. 2. Don't push your luck. किस्मत को ज़्यादा मत आजमाओ. Don't push your luck. 3. Let's call it a day. आज का काम यहीं खत्म करते हैं. Let's call it a day. 4. The ball is in your court. अब फैसला तुम्हारे हाथ में है. The ball is in your court. 5. मेरी बात पूरी हो गई. I rest my case. I rest my case. 6. Cut to the chase. सीधा मुद्दे पर आओ. Cut to the chase. 7. Better late than never. देर आए दुरुस्त आए. Better late than never. 8. Don't jump the gun. जल्दबाजी मत करो. Don't jump the gun. 9. I won't sugarcoat it. मीठी बातें नहीं करूँगा. I won't sugarcoat it. 10. It rings a bell. ये सुना सुना लगता है. It rings a bell. 11. That's beside the point. यह मुद्दे से बाहर है. That's beside the point. 12. I'm all ears. मैं ध्यान से सुन रहा हूँ. I'm all ears. 13. Mark my words. मेरी बात याद रखना. Mark my words. 14. Time flies. समय जल्दी बीत जाता है. Time flies. 15. Don't take it for granted. इसे हल्के में मत लो. Don't take it for granted. 16. I'm under the weather. I'm under the weather. मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. 17. अपनी क्षमता से ज़्यादा मत लो. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Don't bite off more than you can chew. 18. You can't have it both ways. दोनों चीजें एक साथ नहीं पा सकते. You can't have it both ways. 19. That ship has sailed. अब मौका निकल गया. That ship has sailed. 20. I'll keep you posted. मैं तुम्हें अपडेट देता रहूँगा. I'll keep you posted. Part 7. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you mad? Are you mad? फिर मिलते हैं. See you next time. See you next time. उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare he? How dare he? क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? किसी और से पूछो. Ask someone else. Ask someone else. चोट कैसे लगी? How did it hurt? How did it hurt? क्या तुम फ्री हो? Are you free? Are you free? फिर मिलते हैं. See you later. See you later. मुझे प्यास लगी है. I am thirsty. I am 30. ये कैसे टूटा? How did it break? How did it break? कहाँ लगी? Where did it hurt? Where did it hurt? कौन बोल रहा है? Hello, who is this? Hello, who is this? क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? मुझे चलाने दो, let me drive. Let me drive. कौन बोल रहा है? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? उसने मुझे डराया, he scared me. He scared me. यह मेरा मोबाइल है, it's my mobile. It's my mobile. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? मुझे एक बात बताओ, tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. मुझसे दूर हो जाओ, get away from me. Get away from me. क्या हो रहा है? What's happening? What's happening? क्या यह आपका है? Is it this yours? Is it this yours? बहुत बढ़िया विचार है. Great idea. Great idea. कुछ और चाहिए? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? तुम हॉन्फ क्यों रहे हो? Why are you panting? Why are you panting? सब मेरे साथ थे. Everyone was with me. Everyone was with me. वह रोने लगेगा. He will begin to weep. He will begin to weep. अपनी नजरें नीचे रखो. Keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down. वो बहुत मासूम है. He is very innocent. He is very innocent. Part 8. 1. वह अभी भी गुस्से में है. He is still angry. He is still angry. 2. क्या तुम जल्दी में हो? Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? 3. मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है. I am in no hurry. I am in no hurry. 4. तुम्हें क्या जल्दी है? What's your hurry? What's your hurry? 5. जल्दी से नीचे आओ. Come down quickly. Come down quickly. 6. ज़्यादा होशियार मत बनो. Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. 7. वह कितना कमाता है? How much does he earn? How much does he earn? 8. मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. 9. क्या आप शाकाहारी हैं? Are you vegetarian? Are you vegetarian? 10. वह उसे कैसे ढूंढेगा? How will he find her? How will he find her? 1. हम उसका विरोध करेंगे. We will oppose him. We will oppose him. 12. 7:45 बजा है. It's 7:45. It's 7:45. 13. वे लोग कहाँ गए? Where have they gone? Where have they gone? 14. तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you reading? What are you reading? 15. उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं. He is not reliable. He is not reliable. 16. ये गंदा पानी है. The water is contaminated. The water is contaminated. 17. कॉफी पर मिलते हैं. Let's meet over coffee. Let's meet over a coffee. 18. तुमने ध्यान खींचा. You got my attention. You got my attention. 19. वह जल्दी में चली गई. She left in a hurry. She left in a hurry. 20. वह अंग्रेजी बोलता है. He speaks English. He speaks English. 21. मुझे चाय पसंद है. I like tea. I like tea. 22. उसे क्रिकेट पसंद है. He likes cricket. He likes cricket. 23. मुझे तुम्हारी मुस्कान पसंद है. I like your smile. I like your smile. 24. उसे किताबें पढ़ना पसंद है. She likes reading books. She likes reading books. Part 9. मैं यूं गया और यूं आया. I will be back in a flash. I will be back in a flash. और क्या करता तो फिर? What else could I do then? What else could I do then? जले पर नमक मत छिड़को, don't add insult to injury. Don't add insult to injury. ये पूरा का पूरा झूठ है, it is an out and out lie. It is an out and out lie. मैं वहां जा रहा हूं, that's where I am going. That's where I am going. तुम बेवजह शक करते हो, you suspect unnecessarily. You suspect unnecessarily. मैंने उसे तुरंत जवाब दिया, I replied him at once. I replied him at once. मुझे छिपकली से डर लगता है, I am afraid of lizard. I am afraid of lizard. ये सब उसने शुरू किया था, he had started all this. He had started all this. क्या तुम अखबार ला सकते हो? Can you get the newspaper? Can you get the newspaper? उसमें ऐसा क्या खास है? What's so special in her? What's so special in her? बाजार आजकल मंदा है, market is down these days. Market is down these days. मुझे पता है ये जायज़ है, I know this is justified. I know this is justified. तुम्हारा गुस्सा जायज़ है, your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. ये उसके बस की बात नहीं है, it's not his cup of tea. It's not his cup of tea. मैं कहीं और जा रहा हूँ, I am going somewhere else. I am going somewhere else. मैंने अपना मन बना लिया है, I have made up my mind. I have made up my mind. उसकी बातों में मत आना, don't get into his words. Don't get into his words. वह जुए का आदी है, he is addicted to gambling. He is addicted to gambling. अब पूछो जो पूछना है, now tell what you want to. Now tell what you want to. मैं उसकी बातों में आ गया था, I got into his words. I got into his words. मेरा फोन चार्जिंग पर था, my phone was on charging. My phone was on charging. मेरी तरफ मत घूरो, don't throw tantrums to me. Don't throw tantrums to me. यही मैं कर रहा था, this is what I was doing. This is what I was doing. अब बोलो जो बोलना है, now speak what you want to. Now speak what you want to. हमारी ज्यादा नहीं बनती, we do not get along well. We do not get along well. हमारी तू मैं हो गई, we exchanged hot words. We exchanged hot words. क्या बताता मैं उसे? What would I have told him? What would I have told him? आखिर तुम गए कहाँ थे? After all, where did you go? After all, where did you go? मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ, I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. Part 10. मुझे एक बात बताओ, tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. मुझसे दूर हो जाओ, get away from me. Get away from me. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you all right? Are you all right? तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? वह इकलौता है, he is the only child. He is the only child. कहाँ से कहाँ तक, from where to where? From where to where? क्या तुम शादीशुदा हो? Are you married? Are you married? पहले मुझे बोलने दो, let me speak first. Let me speak first. मैं कहने ही वाला था, I was about to say. I was about to say. मुझे घूरना बंद करो, stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. मुसीबत खड़ी मत करो, don't cause trouble. Don't cause trouble. ये कब बंद होता है? When does it close? When does it close? तुम हमेशा इतराते हो, you always flaunt. You always flaunt. ज़्यादा इतराओ मत, don't flaunt too much. Don't flaunt too much. ज़्यादा भोले मत बनो, don't act so cute. Don't act so cute. मजाक में मत लो, don't take it as a joke. Don't take it as a joke. तुम कौन हो? Who the hell are you? Who the hell are you? जो पूछा वही बताओ, ask what you want to. Ask what you want to. जैसा कहा वैसा करो, do as I say. Do as I say. वह अपने कमरे में है, he is in his room. is in his room. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? मैं क्यों बताऊं? Why do I tell you? Why do I tell you? हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? टंकार हो रही है. It's thundering. It's thundering. 8:30 बजे हैं. It's 8:30. It's 8:30. वह भाई है. He is my brother. He is my brother. मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. I love you. I love you. आपने क्या किया है? What have you done? What have you done? मैं पक्का आऊँगा. I will come for sure. I will come for sure.